Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. As we have gone through many videos of Flask, for example login tutorial using get and post method using Flask, session with Flask, Python connection to Postgres using Flask, different operation on database using Flask. Today's video is all about how to display image on the browser using Flask. We will see first HTML file. Doc type means we are dealing with HTML5. Then if statement is there, end if, then src, the file name and the display image, which image, and the file name, the image file name. Then method post means the request will be coming from post method. Multi-part means I want to upload the file, and submit button. We will now go through the Python file. First statement, import OS module in Python provide function for interacting with operating system. Second statement, from app import app, it means from package app import object app. Third statement, import URL lib.request. This module defines the function and classes which help opening URL. Then fourth statement, from Flask import Flask, it is used to import Flask class. Then fifth statement, from workjuice.util import. The file name can be safely be stored on a regular file system and passed to operating system. Then extension of allowed file may be the images of PNG extension, JPG or JPEG or GIF. Then next statement, allowed file function, it is used for uploading the files. Then next statement, upload form, it is used to redirect to the upload.html. Then here @app.root method post means request will be coming from post method secured. Then upload image function, if the file is not found, no file part, and it will again point out the upload file. And if the file is found but the image is not found, image is not uploaded, then again to the request URL, again to the uploading file. And if the file is found, then display on the browser file save path join is for this part. Then message will be displayed on the browser, image successfully uploaded, displayed on the below. Now image display, it is for static image, upload folder. Now the last statement, if _name is equal to main, it means that I am executing the program using command prompt at command prompt. So we will execute the program. I will choose the file name Tendulkar file name .jpg. Yes, file has been successfully uploaded and displayed on the browser. So we have successfully uploaded the file on the browser using Flask. I have taken more efforts to create this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.